Hi guys, come with me to dress up my first bride of the year 2025.
Veekee James.
We all know that Veekee James is the god of fashion designing, and God has bestowed a lot of gifts on and talents for art that makes us stand out. So I'm here to share with you some of the designs that she made in this 2025 that was mind-blowing. Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Winnie, and if you're an OG, hey girl, I see you and you're welcome. So without too much talking, let's get right into it. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel.
It's perfect. You look so good. Finish. Should makeup.
This bridal dress is so exquisite and it really blew me away. So let's get to the process video really quickly.
Hi guys, let me show you how to design Ashoke like a pro. My beautiful bride Shade sent us this AI illustration from Kathy Anthony. Every bride of mine knows that I do not replicate designs for any bride's wedding. But Shade loved the design so much that I just had to make one exception, especially because I also think the design is absolutely beautiful. Myself and my creative team got to work and we were able to pull off this absolutely beautiful design for Shade. As you all have seen, we did not copy the AI illustration, but we used it as an inspiration to come up with something unique for our bride Shade. But that did not stop me from giving credit where credit is due. So Kathy Anthony, thank you so much for blessing the world with such an amazing design. My gorgeous bride Shade came in for her first fitting. The fit was amazing, only that I had to make some corrections where necessary. And then we went ahead to start detailing the dress. We placed so many of the embroidered patterns on the necessary areas. And then we went ahead to bead the embroidered lines on the sleeves. And then we went ahead to bead the corset of the dress, and the beading was beading. It was giving everything that it was meant to give. And then we did Shade's second and final fitting. Shade was so excited and I was also very excited. And when it was the day of the wedding, I was right there to dress Shade up as our first bride of the year 2025. You guys, there was not one person that set their eyes on Shade that didn't turn back to look again and be like, wow. The entire team delivered.
So that was the process video of the first design for the bride, and this is the second design for the bride, which was absolutely stunning. Also, it blew my mind away. Veekee said it was a peacock inspired design and it came out really beautiful. The process video for this is also coming up soon, and why I show process videos is for us to also learn from the process video of a very wild and versatile designer. I'm not going to talk much on this process video. I'm just going to allow you watch and learn from it. Now we are moving to the next bride for Veekee James, and this was a Ghanaian bride. Her dress was a beautiful flared dress with sculpt corsets, of course, and of course beads were used on top of it also. And I absolutely love this design. It's simple, it's straightforward, and it is absolutely stunning. It's Veekee James now, just how to deliver. Always. I totally love this design, and this was the second dress that was made for her. It was beautiful also.
This is so beautiful. I can't wait. If you give it to me to take it home like this, I'll take it. This is done for me. I can't wait. Wow. I love it, guys. I really do.
Being done, this is the process video of this particular dress also. It was also first sewn with tulle and then beaded all through. You already know Veekee James and her style. She does corsetry and beading and all that jazz, and everything looked absolutely stunning. Moving on to the next bride, this is also a very exquisite, simple, classy, and very detailed design. It was just made with plain fabric, and it's a corset, also something like a conical corset, and then it was also beaded all through the dress, and this looked absolutely stunning. This really blew my mind away. Oh my god, I feel like I'm getting married again. So that will be all for today's video. I hope you had a swell time and you enjoyed it. Till I see you in my next one. I love you and I care. Bye.